At this year's Config, Figma didn't just announce new features. It redefined what's possible in product design. According to the co-founder and CEO of Figma, Dylan Field,
design is not just a step in the process, but rather is now the process itself. Design is more than just pushing pixels. Design is leading with curiosity. It's asking and re-asking, what if? It's obsessing over the details. It's chasing a feeling, and it's pushing what's possible. In a world where AI makes it easier than ever to build software, design is becoming more essential and more powerful. It's craft, it's quality, it's point of view that makes a product stand out and be loved.
And now, Figma is giving designers the power to do all that and more without leaving the canvas. From real-time layout systems to instant web publishing, Figma is evolving into a creative operating system for designers, developers, marketers, and content creators. Welcome to the Brave Achievers channel. Let's look at the revolutionary features announced at Config. Grid layout. If you're a fan of auto layout and bento grids, then you'll love this. The new Grids feature lets you create flexible, responsive layouts with a single click. Easily rearrange, resize, and style elements independently. No more complex frame layering. Span elements across multiple cells and watch your layout adjust in real time as frames resize. It also streamlines the design to production process by easing the direct translation of CSS in dev mode. Figma sites. This is every designer's dream come true. The ability to bring your designs to life instantly. Figma sites brings the missing Publish button to life. Now, you can instantly transform your Figma designs and prototypes into functioning websites and applications with a single click, and it comes with a unique URL. You can not only design responsive layouts that adapt seamlessly to any screen size using breakpoints, but you can also create interactive components that let you make changes across all the screens with multi-edit, or even make individual changes to a specific screen. What's even better is that with the intuitive prototyping tools, you can create, for example, a hover effect by using the preset interactions without having to create components. The responsive preview lets you test your design across different screen sizes, and you can easily add rich animations like draggable elements or a typewriter text effect. Figma sites let you create dynamic web experiences without having to leave the Figma platform. 2 new features coming soon are: first is code layers, where you'll be able to elevate your design with custom code interactions and animations, where you can select a frame and click Create Code from Design. And the second is the Content Management System, CMS, that empowers anyone on your team to update content on the fly. Figma Make lets you take an existing design and prompt your way to a fully coded prototype. Through simple natural language prompts, Figma Make can transform designs into interactive experiences that maintain your design's intent and fidelity. Here, Figma Make turned a mobile Figma design into an interactive desktop clinic finder for their users, complete with a real map API. Figma Make currently uses Claude 3.7 Sonnet as its large language model. The model can reference the design layers and incorporate them in its generation. Figma Make offers multiple points of entry. You can prompt with a phrase or a Figma file. You can iterate with precision by highlighting a specific part of a prototype and then use natural language instructions to modify that selected area using the Point and Edit and Prompt tool. It's like being able to point at a specific part of a web page and say, add a button here that says Publish. With Figma Make, you can manipulate and render complex graphics like these shaders, explore and manipulate dimensions, create and step into immersive worlds, and leverage hand tracking technology to manipulate objects. Because Figma Make is embedded within the Figma platform and collaborative by default, it serves as a powerful all-in-one tool that designers and product teams can use to define, iterate, and polish ideas from start to finish. Figma Make would be free in beta and paid once it's out of beta. Figma Buzz extends Figma's reach into brand storytelling. It is a dedicated space that extends beyond product design and development, where you can create and publish consistent, reusable marketing assets, social posts, display ads, event posters, all from customizable templates. The multi-edit feature allows updates across all assets at once. You can even upload a CSV file and generate multiple versions of designs in seconds. Think of it as a streamlined Canva, purpose-built for brand teams and marketers. Figma Draw. Figma's most artistic update yet. You can now use the Dev Mode toggle to switch to Figma Draw. Figma Draw is a powerful toolset optimized for visual design and free-form creation. It's useful for creating detailed icons and illustrations featuring new brushes, fills, effects, and reimagined vector editing. It solves the challenge of limiting vector editing functionality, Boolean operations, flattening, and stroke outlining by reimagining how designers draw paths. Figma Draw introduces features like lasso selection, simultaneous multi-vector editing, and a streamlined selection menu for faster workflows. Radial Repeat automates element duplication, while text on a path makes adding text in specific orientations easier. Visual enhancements include dynamic strokes, variable stroke width, upgraded fill options, including pattern fills, texture and noise effects, and progressive blur, bringing depth and realism to your designs. The rotation origin feature, reminiscent of Blender, gives precise control over transformation points. Figma Draw also supports adaptive color variables from your design system, ensuring your illustrations respond beautifully in light or dark modes. Altogether, it's a major leap forward in expressive, free-form design within Figma. With these launches, Figma is positioning itself as an all-in-one creative engine, just as Blender is for modeling and animation. Whether you're wireframing, illustrating, prototyping, coding, or publishing, Figma now gives you everything you need to go from idea to launch without ever leaving the platform. We want Figma to be a space where you can prototype, fine-tune, iterate, and ideate, all the way to the finish line, all in one place. From bringing code directly into the canvas and publishing to the web with Figma Make and Figma Sites, to reimagining fundamental design tools with Grid and Figma Draw, to expanding creative possibilities with Figma Buzz, we want to help you push what's possible from idea all the way to production. Which of these products are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be alerted when we share new videos.